Hello, everyone. This is the weekly review for U.S. history from February 22nd to February 26th as we continued our unit on the Great Depression. We had many writing prompts throughout the week, beginning each class with a writing prompt that worked our way through the progression of meeting the indicator for primary and secondary sources. We defined and found examples of primary and secondary sources. We unpacked an iconic image from the Great Depression known as Migrant Mother. And lastly, students were challenged to independently find their own links to primary and secondary sources about the Great Depression, focusing on the stock market crash, the Scottsboro Boys trial, and the Dust Bowl. We placed those all in a shared document. Some students continued working on the first formative assessment, where you were asked to define and find examples of primary and secondary sources. Our four-class focus or executive functioning skill was collaboration, working together to solve problems and get work accomplished. For instance, finding the sources and placing them in that shared document was an example of collaboration. Students filled out an exit ticket on Friday reflecting on how they met the daily goal, generating a question based on the curriculum that we were working on, and thinking about how well they collaborated over the past few weeks. On Friday, students were challenged to search and find examples of primary and secondary sources that dealt with the stock market crash, the Scottsboro Boys trial, and the Dust Bowl. What we have to look forward to, we will continue to work on formative assessments and create the summative assessment for the Great Depression. And we will also be moving on to the next unit called World War II Era. And we'll be returning to analyzing eras and themes for this unit, a indicator that we worked on previously when we worked on the Roaring Twenties. That's it for now. Take care.